Okay. Okay. Well, since lunch, we've gotten everything put together. We got some coolant for the radiator. We've got some serpentine belts. We got some fuel. We're going to see if it runs. And just to say, we're running fuel from a gas can directly into the fuel pump right over here, because the fuel line is currently out of the car going to the back. We want to let it sit out and be cleaned a little bit more. So we've got fuel line coming in, carburetor should be able to run okay. It ran last time. Everything kind of turns. The V-belt's a lot smaller than this one. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Did you not want to use the coolant that we got?
Yeah, but it's going. We'll have to put some water in that too.
Hose is right here. Or a hose is here. Doesn't look like there's much of an end to it. Do you have a spigot out there?
It's on the back of the house.
Well, that's not going to reach.
Huh?
That's not going to reach.
Oh, there's a hose, son, all the way over that way, but
Oh.
you got to go to the back of the house to turn it on. I'm just hoping it holds. You want to see what happens? Just go turn the key for.
You're not going to put this on the fuel pump?
I might, but let's just see if it turns.
Okay. See if it'll turn.
Huh?
Let's see if it'll turn. Oh, crusty in here, I forgot. I've got generator power.
Okay.
Nothing. I just heard something.
Still nothing?
Let me try. Watch your hands.
Okay.
Nothing. Are the lights doing anything?
I saw the tail light. Let's see. I don't see the front ones right now.
I'm getting the signals for high beams.
Well, either his test light doesn't work.
What?
Or I said either his test light doesn't work or the battery ain't giving us nothing.
Should be, because we're getting taillights, we're getting lights in here perfectly fine.
Well, that's like I said. It could be that his test light's not working.
Keys on. Oh, we got little lights down here on the bumper. One light.
hit this one over here. No light?
No. Oh, there we go. It's very weak.
Okay, so come to there, come to there.
Well, no, it wouldn't because the solenoid's off.
Is the key on or off?
Key is on, but solenoid goes to the starter, right? And now we had to jump it to actually get it to start.
That should give power through there if the key's on. Alright, what's this wire do? Because it's coming all the way around. And that's this one. That's this one. Does it go to here?
I don't think so. Unless it's... Because we would hear the starter at least.
You know what? Mash the little horn button.
Holding it.
Yep. Do it again.
Holding it.
The horn button? That goes to the horn, Corey.
Good to know.
Did you let off of it?
Yeah, I just did. Now I'm holding it.
No, let off.
Letting off.
Now do it. Yeah. That goes to the horn.
Okay.
There should be two. We might have to have another because there's two horns. Wonder what this one sounds like.
Ready?
Sure.
Wiggle it around.
Huh?
Wiggle it around a little bit.
I'm trying some. Try it.
I'm holding it.
It don't want to do anything. Okay.
Oh well.
So we know what that is. That has nothing to do with what we're doing. So is it switched on?
It's on the on position.
All right, see about cranking it.
Nothing.
Okay. See that green screwdriver?
Yep. That's interesting. So is it breaking the circuit right here or something?
See, I'm not even getting, it's just a little light. I think it's just a weak battery.
Possibly. Maybe the starter just went bad again.
I doubt it.
The wire get chewed up somewhere. Going from this to ground for the starter.
I don't know.
Let's follow this. Up this clip. Goes away. And I'm looking for extension cord, which I don't know if we have.
Come turn the key one time just to see.
All right. Ready?
Yeah. Nothing?
Oh, hold on. It's not wanting to turn. Oh, I'm not even. The key is loose. There's no distinction between places. Yeah, there's no positions in the key. Feels like now.
Okay.
I don't know what happened there.
Yeah. Because I think we're going to have to get up under the dash and something's going on that ain't quite
I
right.
turned it to the ACC thing, or whatever it is on the left. I heard a crunch and it just started doing that.
Oh, okay. Might take another key.
There's another one in there.
I'm talking about another ignition.
Mm. You want some help with that?
I don't know where we're going.
Either way, I'm trying to get this bolt out still. Let's go your way. Oh, you got a spring. You got a spring.
Yeah, I can hear it.
And you're off.
And I'm off with what?
The spring. There's another little letter. Make sure that we get all the letters out because some of them spilled. Here's the old fuel pump.
Here's an F.
I'm going to start laying them out on this table, make sure we have everything. Because I'm sure that quite a few of them spilled. Oh, yeah, that's bad. Here we go.
As I continued to vacuum out the interior of the car, it began to set in just how much work there was to be done on this. As you can see, the floor pans are rusted out right under the driver's seat. The fuel tank was shot. The suspension was shot. Basically everything except for most of the electrical components were in not great condition. There's going to need to be a big overhaul on the structural components of the car before we can even get it out on the road driving. But for now, it was the end of the day, and it was time for us to go back home.
See, some of that comes to the generator.